chairman tulina Centenary chairman waffe tulina Masaka, vice chairman treasurer Nico Pani. Then Mobilizer in Urban then Katoro Mukisa kunera kwaniriza aba committee members abasatu Gaddafi Pro present. Balansa mani baga obukulembeze buva leadership doesn't just happen overnight. You know, today it has been what's but there will be a time like this. Nana Wanga is the chairman of APAU, Masaka. And so let's not take this opportunity for granted. Actually, we are here to serve our people. We are here to kill our producer. You know, because at far again who are producer ageno okweta Masaka amani. Demba zawati kolino mutima gumu. Don't come here with my nose full of sand. There is no money here. Here it is 100% service. You know, I've been serving about over 2017. But when time go to use some of the challenges of going to so it is not easy to be a leader, but it is still a blessing and one of the greatest callings, you know, being a leader. So that is Masaka. We shall continue engaging together in different ways, and let's remain committed to serving our people. Let's be transparent. Let's be loving. If now for like you, the chairman, will produce someone from Masaka kati alinga atalinga luhanga. So nobody now go beefing out. All those should stop today. When you're a leader, you must love everyone equally. Produce a Masaka kati when you are why are you so why are quality? You know quality. Yeah, so let us strive at elevating our standards. So we are able to interview others. Thank you so much for being in the new office. So I will